What's up, everyone? I hope you're all doing well today. In this video, we will be talking about Shirley Strawberry of the Steve Harvey Morning Show, who yesterday testified against her former husband, Ernesto Williams, because he is an alleged known scammer. They have been married previously for about 10 years. So I guess it really took her a long time to find out that this guy was not on the up and up. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Hello and welcome to Beauty by Jen. If you have or if you haven't been here, welcome either way. Shirley Strawberry turned heads in court as she took the stand for the prosecution, delivering powerful testimony against her ex-husband, Ernesto Williams. Here's the full breakdown of everything that happened. In testimony, Shirley Strawberry was asked to read contact and personal information from a document. She confirmed that a listed phone number, 678 redacted, and email address, redacted at yahoo.com, were not hers, had never been hers, and she didn't know who they belonged to. The prosecutor then read the name Carlos Lamont from a nearest relative field. Shirley Strawberry said she had no relatives by that name and didn't know him personally, though she recognized him as a friend of Mr. Williams, her former husband. She clarified she hadn't intended to say she knew his first name was Carlos. Below that, she confirmed another listed phone number, 424-redacted, but had no knowledge of whose it was. In the additional reference field, they read the name Fala Ellis, and Shirley confirmed she did not know anyone by that name. She also did not recognize the associated phone number, 404 redacted. When asked about the current employment title field, which listed host Steve Harvey, Shirley said that was inaccurate, explaining her title would be co-host of the Steve Harvey Morning Show. On page 4, under credit application signature, the witness confirmed the application listed their name, Shirley Strawberry, with what appeared to be a signature, but stated it was not her signature. She said she never authorized anyone to sign for her and had no prior knowledge that her signature was used. She also denied signing or authorizing signatures in the marketing consent section on multiple subsequent pages, including the retail installment contract and security agreement, another page deeper in the document, and the final page, all of which bore signatures in her name. She further denied signing 2 additional signatures on the last page and did not know a person named Desmary Torres, whose signature also appeared there. Shirley testified this was the first time she had seen the document. She recalled learning about the defendant owning a Ford F-350 sometime around 2019 or 2020, though she wasn't certain. She remembered him purchasing the vehicle, but said she had no knowledge of the details of the purchase at the time. She only discovered the truck was registered in her name after the defendant went to jail and she began making the monthly car payments, realizing then that the loan was in her name. She stated the payments were about $899 per month, which she continues to make to avoid damage to her credit. The witness emphasized that she never knew the vehicle was purchased in her name and that she would not have allowed it had she known her previous husband, Mr. Williams, was married to more than one person and would not have married him at all under those circumstances. During cross-examination, she confirmed she began making payments after Mr. Williams's arrest, but did not initially set up automatic payments from her bank account or formally take over the loan at the dealership. She did not change account information at the time of purchase, though she later paid from her personal account and added the truck to her insurance so she could make the payments. She said she never went in person to the dealership, which was in Los Angeles, but had phone conversations with them. When asked why she didn't attempt to return the vehicle, She said she did question why she was responsible for payments, but was told by Westlake Financial that it was because the loan was in her name. She did not raise the issue during her divorce proceedings. She testified she spoke with Westlake Financial about the situation around 2022, explaining she hadn't known the truck was in her name, but was told she remained responsible for the payments. She acknowledged learning about the truck in 2019 or 2020, but not disputing it with Westlake until 2022. She never went to the district attorney's office or law enforcement to formally report the issue, though she did speak to an unidentified male officer about whether she still had to pay for it. Regarding her living situation, she said that while all of this was going on with the vehicle, she and Mr. Williams lived together at only one residence, 2155 Bent Creek Manor. She testified she did not sign the lease paperwork for that address. Mr. Williams did, and the payments for the residence came from his account. She further testified that she did not set up the truck's insurance with her license and information before it was purchased, contradicting any suggestion that she had arranged coverage at that time. On the topic of Mr. Williams being married to multiple people, she clarified that she did not personally discover this, but was told by her lawyer. She could not produce independent proof of it in court. Her divorce from Mr. Williams was uncontested, not an annulment, and there was no trial or witness testimony. She confirmed the truck is still registered in her name, though she does not know exactly when it was first registered to her, and she has not driven it for years. But here's the question for you. Do you think Shirley Strawberry truly had no idea her ex-husband purchased a vehicle in her name, or was she scammed by Ernesto Williams like so many other victims allegedly have been? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe as we push for 10K.